we are here in Jamaica, Ojorios, which means 8 ports in English. And we're going to take a bus to the beach.
It's a really beautiful beach with coral blue water and white sand. So we are now here at the Bambooni Beach, or
No cameras at the Blomberg beach.
no.
Forbidden.
Now we are gonna swim
Yep.
and catch octopus monster. Okay. Let's go for a dive. An alligator! Alligator! Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna put my GoPro under the water. So I hope it's water resistant, because if it's not water resistant, I will lose all my footage from this journey. So let's try. 3, 2, 1, go! Today we were at the Cayman Islands and I didn't record so much because we were just at the beach. So now we want to go to the spa area. We have been there a couple of times, but I didn't have my camera with me the other time, so now I'm gonna bring my camera with me and I'm gonna show you the spa on the ship. Let's go to the spa. So here is the spa area. The snow area with -10 degrees. Really cool. Oh. It looks like Sweden. A lot of snow here. We need to get out. Oh! Out. Now we are here at the swimming pool. Jacuzzi, big jacuzzi. It's really hot here.
Cold water activated.
First you get cold water, then hot water, cold water, and then hot water. So this is good for your blood circulation.
Yep.
So let's go here. Whoa! There's the gym inside there. We are in the middle of the Caribbean and tomorrow we are heading to Mexico, Cozumel in Mexico. And I've never been in Mexico before, so it will be great to see a new country again.
It's dark outside.
The weather outside is right,
Really?
but the fire is
Really
really
scared
like
for you don't see anything.
since there's no place to go,
That's dark then.
let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So the time is around midnight and we were not tired, so we just filled up our jacuzzi